Alright guys, I'm in Oluka, Oklahoma. I'm trying to catch paddlefish here. There's Oluka Dam and isn't Boilian, Buangte and Chungtas. Is there a spot right there?
Yeah. That's fine. Just make him tired.
I don't know, but it's huge.
I don't have.
Yeah, go and get that. Reel it.
This reel is not working.
Here, hold it.
Coi, cái mình chạy chắc lại.
You got me now.
Mama.
High up and bail.
Oh. Shit, man.
Tight more. Okay, go. Ra, tam tuk akan chun. Nalan na rock lai. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
I know, he's got fish. No,
Yeah, right there. He's coming. Good. He's coming. Make it.
that's a rock.
Hey!
Little baby spoon.
Oh boy.
But
That's
it felt heavy on this one.
What?
On this rod. It felt massive.
look at that. Azap coca.
Bail and pull.
What that's that? Oh,
Alright boys.
nang balik ang mas coca. You on fight? Coi.
I'll reel that in.
Good.
Spoonbill.
Spoonbill. That's how you snag.
Take your choice of fish.
ละเสียบให้ละเสียบให้ละละ
ถ้าละโมโจลิดนะท่าจนโม กันพวกกันละ Right
Kan
there.
kan ya.
Yes.
Paddlefish spoonbill cuma. Ha, pas ni nah.
Yep, almost there. Oh, it's a big one. Come this side if you want. Yeah, he's fighting. Keep pulling. He's giving up. Wow. Nice. Makalahin. Good. Just caught by the tail. Nice. Whoa, look at that. That's a small one. Small hook.
This one fight like a tank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alien Pisika is bigger than the previous one.
Huge. We're gonna
Yeah.
take it.
Good.
It felt so heavy, but it's not that big though.
Hey, but you got one.
Yeah.
First 5 minutes, baby.
Mm-hmm. Even that.
I let go.
It let go?
Yeah.
How? Kalahin raha. So he got a big one again. Lian puya man le spoonbill tho. Tahan ka man to sa khai. Oma. Go towards the bank right there. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't get hooked up on the trees or anything. Wow. Go ahead. All right, keep it reeling. Keep it coming. Ooh, that's a huge one. Not as big, but it's big, you know. Yeah, it's itty bitty. It's okay. Nice. ไว้นะสปูนบิลกันมันเช่แห้งแต่เห็นเนี่ยแต่เห็นปลาคาร์ดปลานี้ปลาทุมปลาลีอันเลียนทั้งนั้นไม่แห้งเลียนปุ้ยกับมันอันเนี้ยจวนสลายมีเลียนจอกสักกับมันเลยเท่านี้แห้งให้กันนาวบอยเลียนมันจวนแต่เห็นดรัมกันมันเลยอ่ะแห้งให้ดรัมอันเดีย fresh water drum มาอันเลียนทั้งนั้นไม่แห้งปล่อยให้กับกุฏิอนุละให้ดรัมปฐุมและสปูนบิลปลีอูลูกะเดมันนี่ไปให้แองเลอร์อันต่ำครบไหมที่เราจะไล่ปอดโซนอมจนเลยละมาโซนอมเลยอ่ะโอเคแองเลอร์อันต่ำครบไหมให้ปอดเห็น